Save na lang.
Hindi, request na lang. Isang kanta, singin.
Sige, sige, sige. Singin mo sa akin. Singin mo sa akin.
Mamaya na yun. Ito
Tatlong
muna.
kanta na.
No.
Hindi, ganito na lang. Mamili ka. Isang kanta, singin. Kung kakanta ka dyan, no, sa'yo na ito tatlo.
Yung upat. Connection. Grabe.
One metric one. Sige na, text mo na ako sa akin.
Ay.
Si Daryl sa likod mo.
Dami pa ba yun, no?
Sa likod. Ayun, no?
Daryl, may ano ba dyan? May labasan pa dyan?
Meron yan.
So, nakalak.
Dapat dito ka, pero ilak mo muna dyan. Bounce.
Ano daw yun?
Mayaan mo muna nga. Chinugal.
Manager eh. Parang sila pangalan.
Sayang na eh.
Sayang yung
pera
tinatawan. Buksan mo na.
Kaya pala tinatamaan siya eh. Patayong may payong.
Oh. Dali na. Rapid.
Boy-bong.
Eh, wala ko ni padala ko din.
Ang ilang regalo ko ako sa
Kaskay.
Kaya ko din card. May ukuha pa din.
ano yan?
Oh, gasolina eh. Gasolina. Nakikita pa kung pera sa mo ngayon.
Yung mga credit card na ng anak ko.
Nagay ko na lang drink mga kuwan babutunin.
For the way you look at me. Oh, it's for the only one I see. This very, very extraordinary is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. And love can make it, but take my heart and please don't break it. Love was meant for me and you. Love was meant for me and you. Next. Oh, next song.
Next song. Ay, kayo niya. Wala kayong mga kamay dyan.
Singin mo sa kanta.
Wala kamay. May dalawa pa.
Nanginginig yung buses.
Ay, wala silang ano.
Sabi ko, inumin mo na lang yun.
May isa pa.
Delikado.
Siya ang broker.
Bahala.
Si Lola ba nakawak na ano?
Oh, konduktor natin ito eh.
Sige na. Ano nga ulit?
Gusto mo ulitin pa yung kanta mo? Ulit. Huwag na yung ganyan, mataas na yun eh.
Hindi niya nag-gets.
Di tayo pa ng singit?
Kakanta si Kiyomi.
Sige na.
Ano nga? Una. Ano nga?
Manager, ikaw nakakanan.
Ay, ko manager. Sige, wait lang. Sige, ikaw na friend mo na. Kinanta ko na yun eh. May reason.
No reason daw. Reason daw.
Reason.
Reason?
Ay, magsara ng muna.
Sapatos. Oh, boy, boom ulit. Alam mo na yan.
May ano po ako, may joyful.
Oh, dali na, dali na.
Tagal.
Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart. And I, a willing victim. you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty. And with every touch, you fixed them. No, you've been talking in your sleep. Uh-oh, things you've never say to me. Uh-oh, there's nothing more than empty sheets between our love, our love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to love again. It's in the stars, it's been written in the scars on our hearts. We're not broken, just bent, and we can learn to love again.
Oo, wala. Wala mga kamay?
Oh!
Hindi, 700.
Ulit na putol.
Totoo, 700. Ay, no.
Sinuno na.
Ano yung start mo? Nakalimutan ko. Ay, okay, alam ko na. Nakalimutan ko ulit. Ano? Ay, okay, alam ko na.
Itong artista mo, kulang pa sa...
Sometimes you think you'll be fine by yourself.
Tapos ikot-ikot siya
Dream
dito.
is a wish you made all alone.
Ako na lang iikot, ha?
It's easy to feel like you don't need help.
Galo, pag yung tuliguan, galo.
May iPhone ka na. Sino sa'yo na ito? Diba baka kabagin siya mamaya ngayon?
Baka may mga anak niya.
When your hope crashes down, shattering to the ground, you
Hindi mo kasi
feel
dahil natin sinapat.
alone. When you don't know which way to go, and there's no such leading you home, you're not alone. The world comes to life and everything's bright from beginning to end. When you have a friend by your side that helps you to find the beauty you are when you open your heart
May
and
iPhone na ako, may Samsung pa ako.
in the gift
Okay
of
naman.
a friend. I'll be there of a friend. Tapos na?
Oh, wala ba kayong kamay dyan? Oh.
Wala ba kayong mga paa dyan?
Meron! Taas yun eh.
Bisa, nakakaantok na eh.
Ito na, wait lang. Ito na talaga, mag-iisip na
Hindi,
talaga.
mukhang maliit binibigay nila eh.
Wala nang kaba, wala nang kaba.
Practice na to.
Parang practice lang.
Tumalong ko ano.
Pampalamigam ka muna.
Hindi. Aplaso mo na pala.
May gisis ka. Yung asawa. Yung asawa ng sige na lang yung ngisi, di ba?
Anak,
Nagkontrata ka, may chukit ka.
Kain ka muna.
anak, yung katabi mo, tuloy nalulungkot. Ayun no. Nalulungkot na siya. Oh, bakit sabi? Pinagagawa mo.
Sige na. Go.
You, with your words
Sino mo,
like
baka may
knives
pahabol
and
pa kayo.
swords and weapons you use against me, you
Wala
knock me on my feet again as if you don't already see them, you
Ayun, mga action
with your words like voice and chalkboard calling me out when I'm wounded, you picking on the weaker man. I bet you got pushed around. Somebody made you go. It's good. Ay. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ito na talaga. Wait lang.
Ana, putol. Inagtang mo lang. Inagtang mo lang.
14 seconds.